I love potatoes and I love potato salad, but sometimes I just want to make things a little brighter, more beautiful, and I love vegetables. So today on The Silly Kitchen, I hope you join me and watch this video where I make a different kind of potato salad or side dish. I'm starting with slices of potato, the star ingredient, with simply salt, pepper, a little bit of oil and butter in my pan, cooked evenly so I get a nice crisp on the outside and they're fully cooked on the inside. I do it in 2 batches for the amount that I'm making. Now let's make the dressing with extra virgin olive oil, a little bit of apple cider vinegar, and I like grainy mustard for this. It should be a vinaigrette, a little bit loosey-goosey, but I just give it a nice shake. Building it all together while my potatoes are warm: celery, cucumber, red onion, and radish. I love radish in this, and I think it's just so pretty too. With my herbs, I'm using some fresh parsley and some fresh dill, and as you may have guessed it, let's put that dressing on. As much or as little as you want. Just depends how dressy and how vinaigrette-y you want this side dish. Give it a mix and serve it with whatever you're having for dinner. Now, this being a little bit of a different side dish or potato salad, you may have not seen something like this before. One thing I do recommend is eating it warm. So letting your potatoes cook nice and hot, setting them aside, then cut all of your veggies and letting those potatoes cool a little bit, not in the refrigerator, then adding the veggies in and dressing it, I think is kind of the proper order for serving it. You can eat it cold, it's fine. I just find that when the potatoes are warm, it's just a little bit cozier and nicer. I have lots of potato salad recipes, more classic ones. I do have a potato dill one with pickles, and it's also served warm. If you want to check that one out, I'll link that in the description below. Thank you for joining me for another episode. I'll see you again soon.